Xiaomi's Senior Vice President Adam Zhang announced that Xiaomi 15 will be the first smartphone to come with the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC in global markets. With up to 16GB RAM and 1TB of storage, the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC is built on TSMC's 3nm process and has prime cores capped at 4.32 GHz. Xiaomi has officially unveiled the design of its upcoming flagship smartphones. The Xiaomi 15 and Xiaomi 15 Pro will be announced on October 29th. And this is the first hand on Xiaomi 15 and Xiaomi 15 Pro. The phone has a rear design that's quite reminiscent of its predecessor, the Xiaomi 14 Pro, which launched last year. The main difference is the LED flash array now being moved outside of the camera island. This time HyperOS 2.0 is so fluid and lots of animations details are added. Great job Xiaomi! The Xiaomi 15 Pro is rumored to come with a 6.78-inch quad-curved AMOLED panel made by TCL, 2K resolution, and a 120Hz refresh rate. The Leica-branded triple rear camera setup comprises of a 50MP main camera, a 50MP ultrawide, and a 50MP 5x telemacro camera with 30cm minimum focus distance. For selfies there will be a 32MP snapper. The Xiaomi 15 Pro get a large 6000 mAh battery with 90W fast charging, 80W wireless, and 10W reverse wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.